Minsan lang kita mamahalin. Opening scene, a cozy cafe in the heart of the city. The camera pans to Leia, a shy and clumsy barista, preparing coffee. She accidentally spills coffee on a customer, Miggs, a charming but slightly arrogant guy in a suit. Leia, ay, pasensya na po sir, hindi ko sinasadya. Miggs, looking annoyed but softened as he sees Leia's embarrassed face. Hanggang mas nervyoso ka pa kaysa sa kape ko. Leia, scrambling to wipe the mess. Ako na po maglilinis. Libre na rin po ang kape nyo. Miggs, smirking. Libre? Eh kung libre na rin kaya ang puso mo? Leia looks at him, confused, then laughs nervously. The scene shifts to Miggs returning to the cafe every day, trying to flirt with Leia. Leia starts to warm up to him. Midpoint scene, they are sitting together at the cafe, laughing and sharing stories. Miggs, Leia, bakit parang gaan ang mundo ko kapag kasama kita? Leia, smiling shyly. Siguro kasi ikaw yung tipong tao na kaya mong tumawa kahit sanag ang kape mo. Both laughed. Miggs suddenly grows serious. Miggs, pero seryoso, Leia. Hindi lang kape ang gusto ko dito. Ikaw talaga at dahilan kung bakit ako bumabalik. Leia, flashing, avoiding his gaze. Miggs, baka nabibiro ka lang. Miggs, leaning closer. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Sa dinami-dami na cafe, dito ako na in love. Climatic scene. One new night, Miggs runs to the cafe where Leia is closing up. He's soaking wet, holding a bouquet of sunflower. Miggs, huffing, catching his breath. Leia, alam ko sarado na pero kailangan kong sabihin to. Leia, surprise. Miggs, anong ginagawa mo dito sa ulan? Miggs, kneeling dramatically. Leia, ikaw ang kape sa buhay ko. Mainit, masarap at nagbibigay buhay. Minsan lang ako magmahal at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko. Leia, teary-eye, laughing at his silliness. Miggs, ikaw talaga. Pero sige, sa susunod siguraduhin mong hindi ka magkakasakit ha. Closing scene. The cafe sign flickers as the two walk hand in hand into the night. The camera zooms out, leaving the sound of laughter and soft raindrops. Ang pag-ibig, minsan lang dumating, kaya kung nandiyan na, huwag mo nang hahayaang mawala pa.